friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, this video is inspired by these little dishes that I found at the Dollar Tree. I was there the other day to pick up a couple things and I saw these and I just thought they were so adorable and I thought they would make great gifts and I just had to get them. So they are these little baking dishes, and as you can see my hand, how small they are. It has a design on both sides, and I think there was 4 different designs. I'll put a picture up here if I can find it on their website. If not, obviously you won't see it. But I'm pretty sure it was 4 different designs. I only purchased 2 of them. Look how deep that is. Gives you an idea. I just thought they were really cute. The design is on both sides. These are microwavable, dishwasher, and oven safe. So that is one that says grateful. And then the other one that I got says fresh picked apples. Has the little red truck on there. I just thought they were so cute, and I thought they would make cute little gifts. I was thinking candy or some cookies or something in here. I wasn't quite sure. And then I remembered I had this recipe. I like to make like mini loaf, little mini loaf breads and stuff. And I have this one. I'll link the recipe or the video below in the description box. I made this for Christmas. So I was thinking about doing it again for maybe Thanksgiving and making the smaller loaves. And then I thought, you know what, why not make individual ones and use these maybe as place settings for each guest at Thanksgiving, or giving it as a gift for Thanksgiving. And then I remembered about this recipe that I had. It's called Pecan Pie Cake. I got it from Recipes That Crock. But I believe this recipe is out there. You can make them into muffins and stuff, I believe. I'm almost positive you can. But I thought, you know what? This is something different than what I have done in the past. So I thought I will try making this in the smaller loaves. Normally it's made in an 8x8 or 9x9 pan, but I thought this should work too in these. So I thought I would share it with you since I was going to go ahead and make a couple. So we are going to go ahead and I'll quickly go over the ingredients that I'll be using. Obviously pecans, because it's pecan pie. I'll be using some melted butter. I have some brown sugar, some flour, 2 eggs, and some powdered sugar. And obviously we're going to use some cooking spray because we're going to coat these pans really well. And friends, that's all the ingredients that we're going to need. It is a simple, easy recipe. So why don't we go ahead, turn the camera down, and let's get started making these. Okay, my friends, my oven is preheated. I always turn that on before I get started at 350. I'm going to go ahead and spray my little baking dish really well. And this one here. And you could also probably put, just sprayed my arm with PM, or with the spray. You could probably also do, yes, what's it called? What is that stuff called? The liner. Parchment paper. You could also do parchment paper if you want. That way you can lift it right on out. And now I have some pecans. I'm using my little handy dandy chopper. Just chopping this up. It calls for a cup of pecans chopped. Get these chopped up. Okay. That aside, make sure what I have here is a cup. Just a tiny bit more. Okay. Right in there like that. There we go, perfect. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put that aside in my bowl here. Well, actually, I'm gonna mix this all up first. So in here, I am going to mix together my cup of pecans. I have a cup of brown sugar. I'm putting that in. You want it packed really nice and tight. And then I have a half a cup of flour, okay? So we have those in that bowl. Now I'm gonna put that aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and crack 2 eggs, and we're gonna get that mixed up really well. Oops, that just flew up. Did it again. All right, I think I need to wash my hands on this one because I made a whole little mess. All right, my friends, I have a stick of butter in the microwave, so I am going to now melt that so it will be ready. And I have the microwave button for melting butter, so I just use that. This says to go ahead and mix it up until they start to foam a little bit. I think we got some foaming going on there. All right, I'm taking my butter out. Go ahead and I'm gonna put that in our eggs, like that. And mix that up really well. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this in our mixture here. Break that up a little bit. Get this mixed up a little bit first. Okay, and I'm just going to pour that right on in, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and mix it really, really well. Let me move that out of the way. Okay. Just want to get that mixed really, really well. Okay, I'm gonna bring our little dish over here. That. Go ahead and pour our mixture in there. Make sure I get these even. Okay, there we go. Just like that. Alrighty. Just going to take a couple pecans and just lay them right there on top like that. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. It says to bake them for about 35 minutes, but these being smaller, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to try about 20 minutes, just test it to be on the safe side, because like I said, I've never done them in dishes this small, so I will test it at 20. We will use the toothpick method and see. So let me go ahead and get those in the oven. Alrighty. Put these right in here on the rack. I'm trying to center these right in the middle so they're not off. And we'll go ahead and put the timer on. All right, my friends, 20 minutes is up. So I just want to do a quick little test. Does not, yeah, they have a little bit more to go. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put them back in for about 10 minutes. All right, let's give it, oh, let's give this a peek. Yum, yum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, nice, 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 nice. They are coming out. All right. Oh, they smell delicious. Look at that. And the pans held up really nice. I was wondering how well they were gonna do. Oh, look at that. You can see it pulling away from the edges. Look at that, friends. Woo! All right, my friends, I was curious how well these were gonna hold up in the oven, to be honest with you, and they did well. The colors, I was thinking maybe the colors would have faded or something, but they did not. I don't know if you can see around the edges where it pulled away a little bit, which is perfect. They smell delicious. Like I said, you could use some parchment paper in there, I'm sure. That way it lifts right out, but I think that's gonna be pretty easy to get out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let those cool, and then we're gonna top with some powdered sugar, powdered sugar, and we'll take one out and cut it. And of course we have to do a taste test, right? Of course. And so as soon as they cool down, we'll be right back. All right, my friends. I think we are cold enough that we can pop it out and put it on the plate to finish cooling. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and, it says it seems like it will come out pretty easy in these mini loaves. Oh yeah, look at that, right out, friends. Oh, look at that. Yum! How exciting. So these definitely, you can hear Mr. Chasey walking around. He smells it. Is that what you're doing? You looking for food? He's right down here. Just sniffing away, huh? Does it smell good to you? Huh? Oh, look, they came right out, my friends. Right out. Awesome. Look at that. All right, so let me stretch over here. Quick little tip I wanted to show you. I want to put a little bit of powdered sugar on top, and I always use this little tea strainer, and I just find that it works great. Look at that. See that? I'll just bang it against my hand. Look at that. Isn't that cool? The ones, this has little tiny holes, but I have some that's just the mesh or the screened one, and that works actually better, but I couldn't locate that one. It's in my tea drawer somewhere. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I might have a little too much in there too. Yeah. All right, let me go ahead and do a quick little slice. All right, my friends, so there is my little slice. Let me take a nice little bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this is so good. Hey, friends. I'm just inserting this really quickly. I just went and cut a piece off for my husband. I kind of cut the little loaf in half, and the center was not quite done. It was like this much on each side was done, but the very center was not done. And of course, that's the spot I probably missed putting the toothpick in. So I would actually do it a couple extra minutes than what I did. It tasted fine, but it was a little bit wet, like too wet. I definitely could have gone an extra 2 or 3 minutes. So when you're using your toothpick, make sure you check the center of the bread. I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. Oh, I love it. It worked really well in those little pans. I was wondering how it would work. And it worked well. Worked really well. Very good. And like I said, you can make muffins out of these. Do the 8x8 pan. And like I said, these would be great. Make these up, wrap it in some plastic, clear plastic, tie a little bow, put the names on them, and put one for each person at Thanksgiving. It would make a great gift. It would make a great housewarming gift. This would make a great housewarming gift. Or if you're just going to visit someone, you could buy all 4 of these dishes and make one in each one, and they could easily maybe freeze it or just want to share it. It would be perfect for that as well. So friends, that'll do it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that little subscribe button. It really will help me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. Also, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest as well. I am active on those social media sites too. So friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.